Another source of information from the web is MSN Money Central. And in this particular exercise, I'm going to retrieve stock quotes from MSN Money Central Investor Stock Quotes. So to do that, I'm going to go back to the Data tab and to the Existing Connections button. And here's the Existing Connections dialog box. MSN Money Central Investor Stock Quotes is the last item. I'm going to click on that and click Open. And I do want the information to go into this spreadsheet starting in cell A4, so I'm going to go ahead and click OK. Now the next thing I need to do is tell it which stocks I want to look at, and you do that by entering their stock exchange symbols. And if you'll recall, in one of the earlier exercises, I created a query from a database that retrieved ticker symbols. And so I'm going to go to that portfolio worksheet, and I'm going to select the cells where the ticker symbols are located. And I'm going to go ahead also and click Use this value / reference for future refreshes. And then I'm going to click OK. And here are the Money Central stock quotes currently. Now, stock quotes change throughout the day, although at this time, as I'm recording, the stock exchange is closed. But if I wanted to see if the stock quotes have changed, I would go to the Data tab, to the Connections group, to the Refresh All button, and click Refresh. And that would update these stock quotes. Another nice thing about this particular item is that I can also go to my connections, to the properties. I can tell it to refresh the data when I open the file, but I can also tell it to refresh this particular query every 10 at certain intervals, such as 10 minutes. So I'm just going to click Refresh Every and then type in the number of minutes that I want for the interval. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to click OK and then Close. Another neat thing about the stock quotes that came from MSN Money Central is that each one of the corporations here is a hyperlink. And if I click on it, it takes me to Money Central, and I can get some additional information about that particular stock. So that is creating a web query to import information from MSN Money Central.